Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: enough battery, free storage, and permissions. Connect your phone to a computer and enable USB debugging or grant the gallery app file access. This lets recovery tools read deleted entries. Once connected, open a trusted recovery app or your computer's file explorer that supports hidden files. Make sure not to create new files on the device. Every write can overwrite deleted photos. Follow on screen prompts to scan internal memory and the SD card so you can find image traces. Now you perform the complex middle steps. Launch the deep scan and let it complete. Deep scans search file tables and unallocated blocks, which is why they take longer. Use filters to show only image and video formats like JPG, PNG, HEIC, and MP4 so you can focus on photos. Preview each file to verify integrity before restoring, because previews reveal corrupted images. Once you select items, restore them to a different drive or folder to avoid overwriting other deleted data on the original device. Finish by restoring selected files to a safe location, preferably a computer or external drive, then copy them back into your gallery folder. After copying, open the gallery and rescan or clear the gallery app cache so the media scanner indexes the new files. This ensures thumbnails appear correctly. Make sure file names and timestamps are preserved to keep albums intact. If photos are missing or corrupted, try another reputable recovery tool or pause and consult a professional. A second method can often recover files the first missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.